Once logged into online banking, click on the Payments and Transfers tab. Then select Pay Bills. To make a payment, locate the biller you would like to pay and type the dollar amount into the Amount field. The Pay Date field will populate with the earliest date available the payment can be received. If you'd like the payment to be received at a later date, click the calendar icon to adjust the date. Next, you'll scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Make Payment button. Then you'll be asked to review the payments you've scheduled. You must click the Submit Payments button to complete the bill pay step. After you've successfully completed the process, you'll see a confirmation message. Click the Finish button. A few helpful features you can find on the Payment Center page of Bill Pay are the upcoming payments, pending payments, the ability to toggle to any unapproved payments awaiting your approval, as well as a list of recent payments.